Ibn al-Haytham, recognized by many experts as the first scientist, was born in Basra, Iraq in the year 965 during the flourishing Islamic Golden Age. Known as the father of optics and a pioneer of the scientific method, his contributions have left a lasting impact on our understanding of light and vision. He used his time being in house arrest for 10 years in Egypt very wisely. He composed one of his most celebrated works, the Kitab al-Manazir, whose title is commonly translated into English as Book of Optics. It was a revolutionary treatise that significantly impacted our understanding of light and vision. Ibn al-Haytham made significant advances in optics, mathematics, and astronomy. His work on optics was characterized by a strong emphasis on carefully designed experiments to test theories and hypotheses. In that regard, he was following a procedure somewhat similar to the one modern scientists adhere to in their investigative research. Many Greek thinkers debated on how the process of vision could be explained. Some said rays came out of the eyes, while others thought something entered the eyes to represent an object. However, using both reason and experiment, Ibn al-Haytham concluded that vision would only take place when a light ray issued from a luminous source or was reflected from such a source before it entered the eye. What set Ibn al-Haytham apart was his emphasis on experimentation and observation. He used the camera obscura to study the behavior of light, demonstrating that light travels in straight lines and explaining the formation of images on surfaces. This helped in the understanding of optics, which was later used to invent the modern camera. Through his studies of earlier work by Galen and others, he gave names to several parts of the eye, such as the lens, the retina, and the cornea. Ibn al-Haytham greatly benefited from being able to use the work of previous generations of scholars that had been translated into Arabic. Ibn al-Haytham's work went beyond optics. He laid the groundwork for the scientific method we know today, emphasizing the importance of experimentation, hypothesis testing, and empirical evidence. His approach to scientific inquiry was revolutionary for his time. He died at the age of 74 in around the year 1040, but his contribution did not stop with his death. His Book of Optics was translated into Latin and had a significant influence on many scientists of the Middle Ages, Renaissance, and Enlightenment. In conclusion, Ibn al-Haytham's brilliance and dedication to understanding the natural world have left an indelible mark on the history of science. From optics to the scientific method, his contributions are still relevant and celebrated today. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments which Muslim scholar we should do a video about next.